Okay, climbing back in the bin number 2 of the Felke Farms. One example of something I want to show you is they had to flip this rice, or actually had corn in it and took it out. And when the guys put the rice in here, they did not tie their cable down. And as you can see, it rolled with as the rice came to the edge, it moved the cable over. Let's go on down and I'll show you what I mean from the bottom. Nothing like the jumping. As you can see, it's almost a foot away from the ladder, and at the top we're 3 foot away from the hole. But they didn't, after they tooled the corn out, they didn't retie the bottom of the sensor cable, so we're not getting an accurate reading on this sensor for the simple reason that it wasn't tied down. I've been to the other side of this bin already, and this was the same way. Here is the Foster spreader. Same basic idea. It doesn't turn. From the top of this one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rings to this pile, and about 3 rings on the back pile. So this will give you an idea of a basic S&J spreader that does not have the motor and turn. What kind of I guess leveling you'll have to expect when you get done. Again, the main thing is to look at this bin and know when you get done putting your rice, corn, soybeans, wheat, whatever in this bin, you need to get in here with a set of shovels and knock it down, because we want a nice round top. I'm going to go to the top up here and show you on the other side again what the cable did. You can tell, maybe you can't, the cable's over here on the side and it's going right to the sidewall. It is not it was not tied back down after they pulled the corn out. The level of this bin is, or this pile, is probably 1 ring down from the top. The average of the sides are probably from 1, 2, 3.5 to 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is what you can expect to level. And as you can notice here, look at the rice, the way the rice is breaking away. It's not dry and flowing. It's wanting to break in sections. That's because we're looking at almost 16% moisture right here, rice, and down here at the lowest point where our most air is going through because of least resistance, we're at 11.7. That's the difference in this bin of rice, and the only difference in moisture is related to airflow. We can get the air goes to the point of least resistance, and it's coming out down there in those low spots, and it's not aerating this rice up here. Now, I spoke with this farmer, and they're not going to put any more rice in this bin, and they are going to come in and dress it down. But these are new bins. Farmers just now using bins, and it'll just help them to understand it, and I'm doing this to help other farmers understand too. So I'm not a good narrator, I'm just a farmer. But anyway, that should help in the explanation and a good actual presentation of what an S&J spreader will do you for, and what it'll look like, what you can expect. And then, as you'll see in other presentations, I've got our spreader and what it looks like running. And if you have this spreader, our bullseye system will work fine with it.